I tend to talk about skincare that is more on the affordable side on this channel, and the Zelens Power D Fortifying and Restoring Vitamin D Concentrate definitely does not fall into this category. It is part of the Zelens vitamin alphabet featuring Power A to Power E, but while A, B, C and E are pretty common ingredients in skincare, I have not seen vitamin D around much. Still, the Zelens Power D has been a staple in my routine for 5 years now. I got my first bottle back when they were still called treatment drops back in 2017. And I figured it was about time I told you why I keep spending so much money on a face oil. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Dr. Anne, a physician passionate about skincare and well-aging. A high-potency pro-vitamin D3 concentrate enriched with replenishing lipids structurally similar to those found in the skin, infused with a proprietary complex of botanicals rich in plant sterols. This unprecedented fortifying and restoring treatment helps to strengthen skin's natural barrier, build its resilience, and protect skin against environmental aggressors and stressed conditions. Leaves skin supple, plumper, and healthy looking. While it is described as being a dry oil on the website, I do think it is pretty average in oiliness. Not heavy, but still feeling like an oil on my admittedly more oily skin. The scent is very faint and slightly nutty. Apparently it is suitable for morning and nighttime use, but if that works for you probably depends heavily on your skin type. As I said, I am normal to oily and I wouldn't dream of using it in the mornings. For me, it is a nighttime product that goes on as either last step or mixed in with my moisturizer if I want just a little more oomph. My preferred way though is 2 drops of the oil pressed into my face to end my evening routine. I'm not exaggerating if I say this is my secret weapon for flake-free skin using tretinoin during winter. Other than the vitamin D I will touch on in a bit, this concentrate contains a bunch of different plant oils, choline, amino acids and soothing ingredients like bisabolol. There are also phospholipids, linoleic and linolenic acid, which are essential for a healthy skin barrier. The vitamin D is present in form of 7-dehydrocholesterol, so actually pro-vitamin D3, that gets converted into vitamin D in the skin. And just to be clear, it will not cure any systemic vitamin D deficiency. You need a supplement for that. So while it doesn't help with bone density and your immune system, it does have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and calming benefits for the skin. Now, I will be completely honest here. I am not sure if the resilience I see in my skin when using this during winter is due to the vitamin D or due to the blend of lipids that smooth down my skin's outer layer, but I really don't care. What I care about is that since I started incorporating this one into my winter skincare routine, my skin never again was the flaky mess tretinoin caused it to be as soon as the temperatures dropped. I really don't think this one is suited to oily skin types, but if you are normal and prone to irritation due to tretinoin, or if your skin is dry and inflamed for any reason, this could be a game changer. And if you shy away from the price, I get the 10 ml and they last me well over 6 months, which is for how long I need it anyway. So I know this is beyond the budget of many. For me, it is worth repurchasing. What is your most expensive product? Tell me in the comments below. I will link to more videos you might find interesting on the screen and add links to my Instagram, blog and Patreon account in the description box. See you soon. Bye!